Ahee, amukela ka channel ya hina ya Inside Central. Namuntlha hi ta va hi kha hi tlhelela ndzhaku ka ntlangu wa Orlando Pirates na Mamelodi Sundowns lowu nga va kona vhiki leri nga hela, laha hi nga ta va hi kha hi languta ngopfungopfu eka mavonelo o mahlelelo ya ntlangu hi khale ka n'watipepe yena Victor Hlungwane, laha a nga kombisa leswaku leswi vanhu a va ri ku rileni va ku Tito Maswanganyi a nga tlangiwanga kahle hi yena Ndamane a hi swona. Khale ka n'watipepe Victor Hlungwane u kombisa leswaku i swilo swa ku saseka. A hi tweni tatana Hlungwane loko va hlamuseta.
Baka Maswanganyi and say what happened. Bangwani bari hafana kume penalty, bangwani bari no. Let's start with offside. Right, we can see there are 3 Pirates players who are in an offside position. The law says it is not an offense to be in an offside position. Similar to for these people to be here. Let's focus on Maswanganyi. Is Maswanganyi offside or onside? Maswanganyi is in an onside position. Who plays the ball between the 3? If we roll it, we'll see that Maswanganyi goes and play the ball. No offside, but what happens? Ndamane comes and make a tackle. Does he play the ball or the man? Ndamane plays the ball. So when he plays the ball, where is the offense? There's no offense committed. You can see when Jelly Chaba, you can see there that Maswanganyi is the one who is on top there trying to be on to stamp on Ndamane. But correct decision by Jelly Chaba not to award a penalty because Ayiko is Shilo Saku Sasek.